Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name, then hit iCloud and Manage Storage so you can see backups. Once you spot the most recent iPhone backup, note its date and device label so you don't remove the wrong one. If you plan to delete from the device, make sure to disable iCloud backup first. This prevents automatic rootload. Do this now so you have control. Accuracy here avoids losing needed data later and prepares you for the deletion step. With the correct backup selected, review its size and last backup date to confirm it's the one to remove. Tap Delete Backup and read the warning. When you confirm, the backup is permanently removed from iCloud. Make sure you have an alternative, either a newer backup or a local archived copy, because this action cannot be undone. Once done, monitor available iCloud storage and verify your device's next backup settings so future backups match your intentions and avoid accidental deletions. After deletion, check iCloud storage to confirm the space freed and verify the backup entry is gone. Re-enable iCloud backup when you're ready and force a manual backup to ensure everything operates normally. If the old backup still appears, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or check Apple system status for iCloud problems. Sometimes sync delays cause stale records. If you encounter errors, restart your device and try again. This usually resolves permission or sync glitches, so deletion completes cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.